Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, click over here or buy me a coffee. Link is in the description. And thank you so much for your support. Today we are here with Felipe.
Hello there, everyone.
Okay, today's coffee request comes from someone, and someone says, I want you to check out RabidAnce. This is their second performance during the 팬텀싱어 All-Stars. Wait. I think so. Yeah. This song is called Ai No Corrida. Is that Spanish? It's another performance showing how exciting this group can be.
Ai No Corrida.
Yeah. Let's go. Ooh, but I think this one's going to get blocked. Okay, we're going to use the fair use cam for this one, guys. Because I am 100% sure this will get blocked. Sorry about that. Let's go. Disco is back.
Disco's not dead yet.
I drink you?
Just the way I like to call you seeger. You thrill me, have killed me. That's what you do. Ai No Corrida, that's where I am. You're demeanor, your dream is my command. Ai No Corrida, I find
Corrida.
no one I want, just you and nothing else.
He's got an American accent there.
Before my heart saw you, each day was just another day. Like the lonely interlude just came, then blew away, you know, girl. Everything was calm me until you fell in my life. Despair and thunder has cut me. I mean, a days for lightning and thunder sets my poor heart ablaze. You see, girl. You see, girl. You kill me, you kill me. That's what you do. Ai No Corrida, that's where I am. You send me there. Your dreams.
It is pretty fun.
Ai No Corrida, I find myself.
It is.
No one alone, just you and nothing else. You and nothing. Ai No Corrida, that's where I am. You send me there. Your dream is my command. Ai No Corrida, I find myself. Go on right now, just you and nothing else. You and nothing else.
Nice. Oh,
What?
there we go.
I wasn't expecting this.
Nice. A cappella. Bro. Oh, that was a nice like drop the beat, you know?
Yeah, it was. I wasn't expecting any of this.
Just you and nothing else. You and nothing else. Touch you, it's just the way I like like a man.
It's what I go through every day. You see, good baby.
Pretty cool, guys.
Ai No Corrida, that's where I am. You want me to play. My dream is like coming. Ai No Corrida, I find myself. No other one, just you and nothing else. You and nothing else.
Nice. Wow. It just ends like that, though.
Nice.
That was pretty cool. What does I No Corrida mean? There's
Well,
no
actually,
race?
yeah. Well, it's not very.
There's no
it's-
competition.
it's- yeah, you could say that because, well, actually, there's no competition. There should be an H before the A
Okay.
at the beginning. Yeah, so it literally says something like, "Ow, no run," or something like that. It doesn't make too much sense. So I believe that there's something missing here because the way the words are here, they don't make too much sense. You know, so
Okay.
probably it's still lacking an H before the A. So and also it's not an I, it's not an AI, it's AY. To be, you know, I
Yeah.
like there, you know.
Yeah. I get it.
So there's a couple of things that are, I don't know, it's probably a mispronunciation, misspelling or something. I don't know, or maybe that's the actual
Maybe there's
word.
maybe there's an
"Ow,
expression.
no run." You know, I've never heard of this expression before, so I don't know. I don't know what happened here.
Okay, guys, let us know if you know. But they did a fantastic job. They were super fun, super energetic, super.
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. Those guys killed it, man. It
Yeah,
was
they
amazing.
brought disco back. Well, at least the dancing was disco, right?
Yeah, with a little bit of rap.
Yeah, the beatbox caught me off guard.
What was that?
That was pretty cool. They just caught me off guard with the beatbox, and you know, that was pretty cool. It was the surprise factor here. They did a great
Mhm.
job. Yeah, I
They
really
did, they
don't
did.
understand like why they wouldn't win. But then who won that year? I don't remember. This is season 3, right? Season 3, Phantom Singer, right? Winner. Oh, La Pomme was the winner. Okay. Yeah, we reacted to La Pomme quite a few times as well. But anyways, guys, we're going to go to the next video. Thank you so much to someone who requested this video. And if you want to request a video just like they did, go over to Buy Me a Coffee. Link is in the description. Or click over here and go watch more reactions on this playlist. Take care. Bye-bye.